Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all will be fine and you enjoyed your vacation. Now it's time to move towards studies or because you are now in grade 2 and you have with you new books, new bags and new copies. And here I am your new teacher, Ma'am Amreen Khalid, and I am going to teach you English. Okay? Hope you all will enjoy your lessons with me and you all will watch these lessons very carefully. So let's move forward, and what you have to do, you have to open your bag and take out your English book, and that is Maxim of English Grammar and Composition. Okay, so now you all have to take out this book from your bag. I hope you all have this book. Okay, and because from this book we are going to learn about unit number 1, alphabets. And unit number 1, alphabets, in unit number 1, alphabets, we will learn about capital and small letters. We will learn about vowels and consonants. We will learn about giraffe and monkey and tortoise letters. We will do some vocabulary practice and we will arrange the words in alphabetical orders. Okay, so now move on to page number 7. So here you can see unit number 1, alphabet, and you can see many letters are here, and let's count these letters. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. Yes, the English alphabet has 26 letters. How many letters English alphabet has? 26 letters. And each letter has two forms, capital and small. Capital and small. Capital and small. So these are the letters. You have to trace these letters and then you have to write the letters in your copy. Okay, and let's sing a poem, and you all know this poem, I know, so you can sing it with me. So let's start the poem and start singing with me. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time you will sing with me. Hey, clap for yourself. Yes, you all now know English alphabet. And you all know that English alphabet has 26 letters. Okay, 26 letters. And each letter has two forms, capital and small. Capital and small. And now you have to write these capital and small letters into your copy. Okay, after making title page. Okay, I will describe your homework later on in the end. Okay, so now next topic, vowels and consonants. Our next topic is vowels and consonants. Okay, here you can see the vowels: A, E, I, O, and U. Okay, so there are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, and U. So the letters of the alphabets are divided into two groups, vowels and consonants. Vowels and consonants, and there are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. And the other letters are called consonant, and these are 21 letters because 5 are vowels, so we have 21 consonant, and that is B, C, G, F G H J K L M N P Q R S T V W X Y and Z. So now you know we have 5 vowels in English alphabets and 21 consonants. How many vowels we have? 5 vowels, and these are A, E, I, O and U. And we have 21 consonants. Okay? And you all have to write these vowels and consonants in your copy. Alright, now the third topic is giraffe, monkey and tortoise letters. Giraffe, monkey and tortoise letters. You all know giraffe is the tallest animal. Okay? The tallest animal means the letters which are the tallest on the top. Okay? Which are the tallest one and on the top. So we can call them sky letter too. Giraffe letters or sky letters. And there are 7 sky letters or giraffe letters in English alphabets. That is B, D, H, K, I, T. B, D, H, K, I, T. Okay, so we have 7 sky letters and we can call them giraffe letter because giraffe letters reach up tall. Okay, now monkey letters. You all know this and all have read it in Montessori and in grade 1, but we are repeating it again so you can learn it more carefully. Okay, now these are monkey letters. Okay, because these all have tails. Okay, when we make it, these all have tails. Okay, you can see the tail. This is G. Okay, J. There is a tail. P. Okay, we can see, and there is a Q, tail. There is a Y. Okay, J. So G, J, P, Q and J. So monkey letters all have tails and these are 5. G, J, P, Q and J. Now tortoise letters. Tortoise you can see move slowly and stay down low. So these letters stay down low and these letters stay on 2 lines. A, and these letters are A, K, E, A, I, M, N, O, L, S, V, W, X and Z. Okay, tortoise letters, there are tortoise letters and these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So these are 14 letters. So we have 14 tortoise letters, 7 sky letters or giraffe letters and 5 monkey letters we have. Now move on next topic and that is vocabulary practice. Vocabulary practice. So you all have page number 10 with you. Open page number 10 and you can see here vocabulary practice. Okay. So name the following pictures that start with vowel letters. Okay. So अभी हमने vowels पढ़े थे. Okay. We all have learned vowels and we know vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So here are the pictures of the here are some pictures which start with vowels. ठीक है? You have to pick out the word from here from the box and write it here. Okay, this is X, this is iron, you can see eraser here, you can see arrow, umbrella, onion, ant, orange, egg, owl, you can see ox and you can see elephant here. Okay, hope you all can do this page now easily. Now we have another page and here are the words and you can see the pictures name. You have to name the pictures and you can pick out the names from the box and these all pictures start with consonant letters. Okay, you know the consonants now. 21 consonant we have, so these all pictures will start with these all pictures starts with consonants. Here we have van, bag, watch, flower, and this is dog, crab, you have quail, you have torch, okay, and lamp, you can see it's lamp. We have yak, we have hat, we have kite, we have jug, we have zebra, we have fish here, we have pot here, we have nest here, we have god here, we have sun, tie and moon. Okay, now hopefully you all can do this very nicely without your parents' help. You can all do it now. Now move on the page alphabetical order. Alright, so here you can see the page on which we mention here alphabetical order. You have to first name the following pictures. In pictures को name देने. You can see here the name of these pictures, and number one is rice, okay. Number two, you have bread, then we have egg, then we have apple, and then we have juice. Oh yeah, yummy. So write down the first letter of each of the above words. तो यहाँ जो words आपको दिए हैं, what you have to do, you have to write down the first letter here. Okay, so we can write here from the rice. We can write b here from the bread. We can write e from the egg. We can write a from the apple, and we can write j from the juice. Okay, now do the above letters follow the ABC order? All these letters in all these were are in order or not? But these letters are not in the order. Here you have R, here you have B, so here you have E. So ये orders में नहीं है, ठीक है, क्योंकि alphabetical order means कि हमें उनको arrange करना है A to Z की form में. So यहाँ पर हम उनको arrange करके लिखते हैं. Okay, now write the letters in correct order. So correct order में लिखने के लिए what we have to do, first we have to find out, do we have A? Yes, we have A here. So we can write A here. Apple, A here. We can write B, bread. Okay. Then we can write C, we don't have. D we don't have, but we have E. So E here. Then we can write if we don't have G, we don't have H, we don't have E, we don't have J, we have. So we can write J here, and then R. Okay, so now it is in alphabetical order. So now write the words in correct ABC order. You have to write all the words in correct ABC order. So first we have now not rice, we have apple here, then we have bread here, then we have egg here, then we have juice, and then we have rice. Okay, so alphabetical order hopefully आपको समझ आ गया होगा. You all got me. And now we have one more practice page, and that is called grammar practice, and you have to write the words in ABC order. Here are the words egg, milk, apple and pie, and you have to write in ABC order. Okay, so first you can write apple, then egg, then milk, and then pie. I hope you all can do these exercises without any parents' help. Okay, so you all have to do these exercises. Now here we have another grammar practice, which is which words come first. Write in the box. You have to write that which word comes first. Okay, here hippo, alligator and rhinoceros, you have alligator first. Okay, because at hippo start with the letter H and rhinoceros starts with the letter R. So we have alligator on the first. Now tiger, bear, lion and leopard. Which letter come first? Bear. Okay, now zebra, deer, squirrel and monkey. Which letter come first? Yes, right, deer. Now owl, yak, gorilla and panda. So you have to choose which letter come first. Maybe gorilla. Yes, you are right. And now you have lion, elephant, giraffe and rabbit. Who is going to tell me which words come in the box and which What come first? I think giraffe? No. We have elephant before. Yes. So elephant will come over here. Got it? So now here we have done all the assignment, all the topics. So now here is the homework assignment for you all. And what you have to do? You have to do page number 7 and 13 in your book. I have explained all the pages to you. So hopefully you all will now do it without your parents' help. So then do page number 7 and 13 in your books, okay, in very neat and clean writing. Then बुक को उठा के बैग में रखना है और you have to take out your copy and you have to make title page of alphabets. Okay, make title page of alphabets and write A to Z in it. Then write vowels and consonant. Okay, you know 5 vowels and 21 consonants. You know giraffe letters, we have 7 giraffe letters which comes up tall. We have 5 monkey letters because these all have tails, and we have 21 we have 14 tortoise letters because they stay laid down. Okay, so you have to write it in your copy. Hope you all understand the lecture and you hope all understand my video. So thank you so much.